Multi-head adjustable spacing drilling machine. Application industry medical apparatus and instruments display shelves outdoor furniture. RV camping. The device, with its humanized design concept, achieves simple and easy to understand operation and is equipped with a one-click start function, greatly improving the user experience. The machine is equipped with advanced CNC movement spacing adjustment device, allowing users to easily set and adjust precise movement spacing. This 3-head CNC drilling machine is specifically designed for the manufacturing of medical devices, efficiently processing QR35 iron pipes, and is suitable for fast and multi-quantity drilling with variable hole spacing. The stable structure of the equipment ensures stability and reliability during high-speed operation and long-term operation. Each head is equipped with a spray-blowing device to cool the drill bit and workpiece surface in time. The equipment is equipped with an adjustable drilling depth device, which can adjust various drilling depth requirements through rotary control. The equipment is equipped with universal positioning backrests and movable left and right backrests, which facilitate drilling of square iron pipes of different lengths, without the need for the buyer to make positioning tooling molds themselves. The drilling feed rate is infinitely adjustable, controlled by a knob, making it convenient and fast. Can drill pipes of different materials, greatly improving production efficiency and meeting the drilling needs of different customers.